This is Chef Perez of Regina's Kitchen. Welcome back to our channel. Now, I have a special guest, my daughter, Regina. We are making today the Pichi Pichi. She helps me a lot when making the Pichi Pichi. Our ingredients today is a frozen cassava, which contain of 2 bags of frozen, which is 1 pound per bag. 1 1/4 cup of sugar, cup of water, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon lye water, 1 cup coconut that is grated for toppings and coating. So let's go and do it. And just scrape the whole thing. And some of them, they want to strain this one, but you don't have to. You know, it adds up a little moist on our Pichi Pichi. Okay, so we got this one, and then we have our sugar, we can put our water, just plain water, para hindi matigas ang inyong wag malapot. Okay? And lye water, just a little of lye water. Yan ang nagpapakunat ng ating Pichi Pichi, ang lye water. And a little pinch of salt. Salt ang nagbibigay ng ng tamis. Lumalabas ang tamis, ang lasa ng ating Pichi Pichi. Okay? And my daughter, Regina, will help me to put the coloring flavor. So Regina will mix it. Okay, so. And if you want more flavor, it smells langka to me. So it is langka. I put a little bit more. So this one is not really with the measurement. It just depends on how much you like. Okay? So the next one, the next one will be the ube. It smells so good. The ube is coming out, the smell. And we can put additional ube flavor to a different brand to make it to look like really ube. Okay? So we'll do that again later. And we had the pandan, they called pandan, which is green. Put a little bit more, so it depends on how much you put. If you want a bright color, you can do that. And here you go. This is the ube. So every time you put additional, just mix it. Step is to grease our molder. Regina will help me to grease the molder because she is used to that. So the molder, the grease molding cups are for easy release of our cassava or Pichi Pichi. Okay, so that is very, very important to you to use that. Okay, so Regina will do on all of them. So just go and put is the yellow, so we know. Okay, so as I said, you don't have to measure it every time because you can see how much you have on the other one. It's not overflowing. gonna go stain this one. Lalagyan natin ng tuwalya para naman yung pag-steam niya, ang tubig hindi babaksak sa ating Pichi Pichi. And it will take at least 20 to 25 minutes and it will be done and we will check it out. Okay? Gumamit lang kayo ng toothpick at maalalaman ninyo kung ididip ninyo katulad na ganito at makikita ninyo na basa pa. So, you know, hindi pa siya, kulang pa siya. Okay, after steaming, we are ready to check again if that is cooked. But just remember, it's because this is a Pichi Pichi, it's a wet on the top, okay? It doesn't mean that it is not cooked, okay? So, I'm gonna test it again, just to be sure, but I can feel the, you know, it's hard on the bottom already. So, this one is clean. One you can use spatula, and you can have it like this. Okay, and it doesn't mean that if you cannot use the same spatula, you can. It is just the color. The mixture is just the same. Okay, so I just want to show you how beautiful it is for different color. Okay, and now we have the other flavor. This is what we call langka. Langka is so good too. It is so good. See those colors? Those are beautiful colors. Yes. Yeah. It is so good. Now we will taste it and see how Regina and I, of course my partner, and then we will taste this and we know it is so good. It is so good. Tastes so good. Good. Yeah.
Sayap! It is so good! Yum! Good! Love you, Mom. You're such a best.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time, okay? On my next video.